Hi, what's up? It is lunchtime, so I am having a little something I whipped up. This is ramen noodles with fish from last night. I think it's a haddock that we did on the grill with some olive oil and some spices and whatnot. But on the check this out. This is the best part. On the ramen noodles, I did the that beef powder that comes with the ramen noodles, but also sriracha hot sauce. Mmm. Mmm. I haven't tried the fish yet. Let me try the fish with the noodles. Doesn't that look good? It's not that good. It's not that good.